Miami-Dade Public Schools have a partnership to offer the automotive service mechanic two-year apprenticeship program where they are earning while they're learning. Educate them and get them into the workplace. It has been a wonderful collaboration with Bomnin.
This is a very important day. It matters because by completing this rigorous training program, you've proven that you share Bomnin's commitment to excellence and you're joining a legacy of top-tier service professionals with integrity that defines the Bomnin name.
The time you spend here has given you a foundation that not everyone has a chance to build. It's something you carry with you and return throughout your career. But you guys have a wonderful future in front of you, a huge future. It's up to you how far you want to take it. You will have the support from all of us, from the Bomnin team. You have all the support you need.
I encourage all the young adults to consider this type of school future endeavor. It did practically put a basis to his future in the upcoming years.
The automotive business, it's an industry where you can grow into all different directions. It's about a love for, not only just a love for maybe working on cars, you might have started that way, but the opportunities in this industry are endless.
For the relationship that I built with Bomnin has been the best by far and definitely better than any other place I have worked with.
What we have accomplished today took effort, and that is something I'm very proud of.